Hi and welcome to the Crochet Circle. My name is Alex and today I want to show you how to make a crocheted rose. Let's get started. I am using here some small piece of yarn that I got left over from another project and a 2.5mm hook. So the first row is gonna be chain 37. I'm gonna make a loop and I'm gonna chain 37 now. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. Now I lost count. Let's start over again. So first I make a loop and now I count 37. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $15, $20, $25, $30, 34, chain 37. Now for the second row, I want to remember the last stitch, and the easiest way to do that is you can use a stitch marker. I have one stitch marker here, so I'm just gonna put a stitch marker in the last stitch. Okay, now let's start with the second row. Second row begins with chain 5. The first 3 chains count as 1 double crochet and chain 2. Then we're gonna do 1 double crochet in the stitch that we marked. I'm gonna remove the stitch marker. And now we continue. 1 double crochet stitch in the third stitch from where we just did 1 double crochet. So we're gonna skip 2 chains, and in the third chain we're gonna do a double crochet. Now I'm gonna do chain 2 and another double crochet in the same stitch. And you get a V-shape space for the next round. Now let's continue till the end of the row. So skip 2 in the third one, 1 double crochet, chain 2, and another double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 2 in the third one, 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 double crochet. Now the last one, skip 2 in the third one, that's the first chain, 1 double crochet, chain 2 and another double crochet. Okay, now for the last row, and we're gonna start with chain 2. We're gonna turn our work around and we're gonna do 5 double crochets in each of these V spaces. So that's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm gonna do chain 2 and a single crochet between the double crochets of the previous row. So it's gonna be chain 2, 5 double crochets in the space of 2 chains from the previous row. So that's 3, 4, 5, chain 2 and a single crochet between the 2 double crochets of the previous row. Now let's just repeat, chain 2, 5 double crochets, chain 2 and a single stitch, chain 2, 5 double crochets, chain 2 and a single crochet. Again, chain 2, 5 double crochets, chain 2 and a single crochet, chain 2, 5 double crochets, chain 2 and a single crochet, chain 2, 5 double crochets, chain 2 and a single crochet. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more to go. So it's gonna be chain 2, 5 double crochets, chain 2 and a single crochet. That's 5, chain 2 and a single crochet, chain 2, 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 2 and a single crochet. Okay, I'm running really low on my yarn, so I hope I will have enough till the end. Chain 2, a single crochet, chain 2, 5 double crochets, chain 2, a double crochet, a single crochet, chain 2, and 5 double crochets. Two, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm gonna do 2 chain 2 and a slip stitch in the third chain. Now I want to get my yarn to the beginning here, so I'm gonna just do slip stitches till I get to the first row. I'm gonna do chain 1 and just pull the yarn through. I was actually very lucky today with the amount of yarn that I had, because everything worked out pretty well. Now all I have to do is put the rows together. You can iron it, or you can just press it with your fingers, and then you just start rolling. And this is how you get a rose. Now all you have to do is sew it together. So I'm gonna take I hope my needle will be wide enough, to be honest. Okay. Now I just have to sew the rows together. You just kind of scoop the first row and try to go through all the twirls around. Now this last petal of the rose, I do want to sew it in a bit more, so I go all the way up while sewing, because I do want to have it in place. Now I just sew it through a few more times. And when you're done, you just cut off the yarn and your rose is done. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to make petals for this rose bookmark and how to sew it together. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you want to be notified when I have a new video, don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye!